Most people think wall sits are easy until their legs start shaking uncontrollably fast and everything changes. What if one simple wall sit hack could double your leg strength faster than traditional workouts ever could? Today, you're going to learn how to maximize wall sit effectiveness and build seriously strong legs. This simple-looking exercise builds endurance, raw strength, and mental toughness when performed with perfect technique. Stay till the end because I'll show you the secret wall sit technique most beginners completely miss. Most beginners perform wall sits incorrectly, and they don't even realize they're doing it wrong. They often stop too early before their muscles are fully activated and challenged properly. Many people keep their hips too high, which removes tension from their leg muscles completely. Others lean forward, breaking contact with the wall and losing the entire purpose of the exercise. These small mistakes reduce effectiveness and slow down your progress more than you think. Wall sits create constant tension in your quadriceps and glute muscles throughout the entire hold. This tension forces your muscles to stay activated longer, increasing endurance and strength simultaneously. Time under tension is one of the most powerful principles for building strong, resilient muscles. Your body adapts by increasing stability, control, and strength as you push through discomfort. That's why wall sits are so powerful, even though they look simple on the surface. Incorrect form usually starts with poor positioning against the wall, which ruins everything from the beginning. If your back isn't flat against the wall, you instantly lose proper muscle engagement. Leaning forward shifts tension away from your legs and reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. Resting your hands on your thighs makes the movement easier but kills real strength gains. Fixing these mistakes will instantly improve your results and make the exercise far more effective. Correct form begins with standing tall, with your back firmly pressed against a solid wall. Slowly slide down until your knees form a perfect 90-degree angle with the ground. Keep your back completely flat against the wall to maintain constant muscle tension. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your body and prevent unnecessary movement. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart to maintain proper alignment and balance throughout the hold. Start by standing upright with your back against the wall and feet slightly forward. Slowly slide your body downward in a controlled motion, maintaining full contact with the wall. Stop once your thighs are parallel to the ground and knees are at 90 degrees. Hold this position firmly, keeping your posture strong and stable at all times. Focus on breathing slowly and steadily as the tension in your legs increases. Keep your chest upright and avoid collapsing forward as the burn begins. Your legs will start shaking, and that's a sign your muscles are working hard. Stay mentally focused and resist the urge to stand up too early. Keep your eyes forward and maintain control over your breathing rhythm. Place your hands by your sides or cross them over your chest confidently. Make sure your feet stay flat and evenly balanced on the ground. Continue holding the position while maintaining perfect posture and alignment. As fatigue increases, remind yourself why you started this workout. Push through the discomfort and stay strong for a few seconds longer. Every extra second builds more strength and endurance in your legs. Try to hold the position longer with each set you perform. Challenge yourself to beat your previous time during every session. Stay consistent and repeat this process regularly for best results. Over time, your body will adapt and holding becomes easier. Finish strong and slowly return to standing position with full control. One common mistake is letting your hips rise above knee level during the hold. Leaning forward is another mistake that reduces tension and breaks proper alignment. Holding your breath can make the exercise feel harder and reduce endurance quickly. Poor foot placement can lead to instability and uneven muscle activation. Quitting too early prevents your muscles from reaching their full potential. Wall sits help build strong, stable, and powerful legs over time. You'll notice increased muscular endurance in your daily activities and workouts. Strong legs also improve posture and reduce the risk of injuries. This exercise is effective for beginners and advanced athletes alike. It requires no equipment, making it perfect for workouts anywhere. Over time, your legs will look more defined and feel much stronger. Your overall balance and control will improve significantly. You'll perform better in other exercises like squats and lunges. Confidence grows as your strength increases and your endurance improves. Consistency with this exercise can completely transform your lower body strength. Wall sits may look simple, but they are incredibly powerful when done correctly. Focus on maintaining proper form instead of just holding for longer time. Avoid common mistakes and stay consistent with your training routine. Push through discomfort because that's where real growth happens. Your effort today will build the strength you need for tomorrow. Start adding wall sits into your daily workout routine and feel the difference. Challenge yourself to hold longer and improve with every single session. Stay committed, stay disciplined, and your results will follow naturally. Strong legs build a strong, confident, and powerful version of yourself. If you want more powerful workouts like this, hit subscribe and transform your fitness journey today.